With ClickFunnels, you can easily create high-converting sales funnels, landing pages, lead magnets, and webinars without any coding skills. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to customize every element of your funnel, from your headlines to your forms. One-click funnels pre-built templates save you the time and hassle of designing your own pages from scratch. 2. Its built-in e-commerce platform makes it easy to sell products and accept payments. 3. ClickFunnels A/B testing feature allows you to optimize your funnel for maximum conversions. 4. Their affiliate marketing program can help you reach new audiences and grow your business. 5. ClickFunnels integrates with your favorite marketing tools, such as email automation platforms, to streamline your marketing efforts. 6. You get access to ClickFunnels' vast library of training materials and support from a thriving community. ClickFunnels makes it simple to track your funnel's performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. With ClickFunnels, you can create landing pages that capture your visitors' attention and persuade them to take action. Its templates are designed to look great on any device, and its robust integration with popular email marketing tools allows for efficient follow-up. When it comes to sales funnels, you can build ones that are customized exactly to target your ideal customers. ClickFunnels makes it easy to create a funnel that matches your business, from product offers to messaging and more. One of ClickFunnels' standout features is its ability to automate your marketing. Whether it's following up with leads, sending targeted emails, or upselling existing customers, ClickFunnels makes it simple. With its automation tools, you can save yourself hours of repetitive manual work. Not only does this improve efficiency, but it also frees up your time to focus on the more important aspects of your business, such as strategic decision-making.